Hi, happy Wednesday. It is the day before Thanksgiving, and we are going to continue working on measuring and comparing lengths of objects. So today you're probably going to need a variety of objects, maybe some toys put in a basket, and you're going to need your paper from Module 3, Lesson 3, and there's 3 pages. We're going to be using this template back here. It says shorter than, longer than, and you're going to need this paper. Okay. Before we get started on our measuring, we're going to do a little warm up. I'm going to cover up a number on a number path, and I want you to tell me which number is missing. Okay. Which number am I covering up? So take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait, what was it? That's right, it was 5. Okay, let's do another one. As soon as you know which one's missing, I want you to shout it out. Are you ready? What number is hiding? Okay, so we can count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the number that's missing is 8. Very good. Okay, let's do another one. Here we go. What number is missing? That one's easy. 1, 2, and 3. I hope you shouted that out really quick. You could also practice writing your numbers on a dry erase mat and cover one up. If you want to play that game at home or have your parents do that for you, or your grown-up at your house. So today, I want you to get this paper, and you're going to need some crayons because there's a lot of drawing to do today. On this first page, it says, draw a monkey with a very long tail. So on this page, you're going to draw a monkey with your very best monkey and give him a super long tail. And then, after you draw your monkey, you're going to draw another monkey with a very short tail. Okay? And then it says, draw a banana for the monkeys to share. So you're going to have 2 monkeys, one with a long tail and one with a short tail, and then 1 banana. Okay? And then go ahead and draw that. You can pause right now and draw it, or you can wait until the video is over and draw it at the end, okay? But then I want you to think about, is your banana that you drew, is the banana longer or shorter than the monkey with the long tail? Is the banana longer or shorter than the monkey with the short tail? Okay? Now, this one, I want you to kind of do it with me. I'll read the directions and you draw it, okay? So you need this page, okay? You're going to make a picture on this page while I read the directions. So you have to listen and follow the directions, okay? So pretend that I am a pirate who has traveled from far away. I miss my house and family. Will you draw a picture as I describe my home? Listen carefully and draw what you hear. So you're drawing it on this side, okay? If you don't have your things ready, go ahead and pause the video and go do that. Get your things, gather them up, and come back. All right? Okay, so here's the first thing you have to draw. Draw a house in the middle of the paper as tall as your pointer finger. So you're going to take your finger and you're going to lay it down on your paper and you're going to make your house just that tall. Okay? Now draw my daughter. She is shorter than the house. Okay? So you're going to draw the daughter shorter than the house. And you can pause and then listen to the next direction, okay? And then unpause. There's a great tree in my yard. My daughter and I love to climb the tree. The tree is taller than my house. So you can pause it, and I want you to draw the tree taller than the house. My daughter planted a beautiful daisy in the yard. Draw a daisy that is shorter than my daughter. So a daisy is a flower. So you're going to draw the daisy shorter than my daughter. So you can pause it, draw it, and then start the video back up. Then draw a branch lying on the ground in front of the house. Make the branch the same length as my house. So make it the same length. So if the house is this long, then your branch would be this long. Okay? Pause and do that. Draw a caterpillar next to the branch. My parrot loves to eat caterpillars. Of course, the length of the caterpillar is shorter than the branch. My parrot is always hungry, and there are plenty of bugs for him to eat at our house. Draw a ladybug above the caterpillar. Should the ladybug be shorter or longer than the branch? That's right, the ladybug should be shorter. Now draw some more things you think my family would enjoy. So go ahead and draw your picture. Pause it if you need to while you're drawing, and take a picture of your picture and send it to your teacher, okay? All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a little sorting using length as our sorting rule. We are going to turn the camera so that you can see my paper, okay? Okay, so now we're going to use our template, our sorting mat, to compare. I'm going to start with my popsicle stick. So if you have a pencil or a popsicle stick that you can compare with, along with your other items, or you can just watch me do mine and then do yours later, okay? So I have a lot of items over here, and we're going to compare, and we're going to decide if my item is longer than or shorter than the popsicle stick. So I'm going to put the popsicle stick right in the middle, okay? And first thing I'm going to compare is my glue stick. Is the glue stick longer than or shorter than the popsicle stick? So I'm going to make sure that I line them up so that they're even at the end or the beginning. And then which one is longer? So my glue stick is shorter than the popsicle stick. So I'm going to lay that one down there. Okay. Next, I'm going to use my highlighter, and I'm going to put it right next to my popsicle stick. And the highlighter is longer than the popsicle stick, so it goes up here. I'm going to do a crayon. The crayon is shorter than the popsicle stick. The pencil is longer than the popsicle stick. I hope I have a pair of scissors. The scissors are shorter. Let's see. Oh, I have a car. You might have a car at home. The car is shorter, so it goes down here too. And let's see. I have a pair of scissors, a big pair of scissors, teacher scissors, and they are longer than the popsicle stick. I'm running out of room. So let's see. We have one more. I'll use this big ruler. The ruler is longer than the popsicle stick, so we'll put it up there. Okay. So when I sorted my objects, these items were longer than the popsicle stick, and these items were shorter than the popsicle stick. But what would happen if I used my car as the thing that I'm measuring and comparing things to? So if I use the car to compare, what would happen? All of these items would still stay longer, right? But would all of these still be shorter? Let's see. Yeah, the glue stick is shorter than the car. But now the crayon is longer, so it goes over here, and the scissors are longer. So now I only have one thing in the shorter than. The glue stick is shorter than the car, and everything else is longer than the car. So it depends on what I'm comparing it to where I'm going to sort my objects. So you're going to gather up some objects and decide which one it is you're going to use as your comparing object. And then you have to decide if the items are shorter than or longer than your object that you're using to compare to. Okay? So use your toys or some other things, then you can record it on here. You can either write it, just pick one and write it, or draw a picture, or take a picture of your template after you have your items sorted on there to send to your teacher. Okay? All right. Have a good day and have a happy Thanksgiving.